Meet Ototo's Boo Team. Pumpkin, gourds, skeletons, and cat mask wine markers. They come in this cool little velvet bag as well. Give each guest one of these markers and they'll never stop guessing which drink is theirs. Or you can stack them like this. Today we have the Ototo Dunkin' egg separator. It's really cool. The basket comes out, easy to clean, clips right back onto the bowl there, so you can slam dunk that egg. Just drop it down in. The yolk stays in the removable basket, and the whites go down into the bottom. Ototo, you have done it again. This thing is amazing. Ototo makes kitchen gadgets that are cool. Here's another cool creation by Ototo. These are the Elizabeth kitchen shears. Meet Elizabeth, the batty kitchen shears that's ready to spread her wings and give you a hand with any culinary task. They've got little bat wings, a little bat face, look at that, a little bottle opener there, a can opener there. Very well built, heavy duty. Has a firm grip, economic handles, lift sliced vegetables with precision, and then you can use the built-in nutcracker or bottle opener for extra versatility. It is marked with the Ototo sign there, dishwasher safe or hand washable for easy cleanup. It combines playful charm with practical functionality, perfect for slicing, dicing, and adding a touch of batty fun to your culinary skills. We have this really cool Ototo Pepito lemon zester or grater. He comes with this really nice covered shield. His little grater is nice and sharp. We're gonna grate up some Parmesan cheese. He's really cute and cool. And he works simply wonderful for grating Parmesan cheese. He doesn't work so good for zesting, but he does work really well for this grating some Parmesan cheese. So we need a bunch of this Parmesan cheese grated up, and that's what we're going to use. This adorable little Ototo Pepito grater. See how cute he is? Just look at that. He's simply adorable. This Ototo Pepito Zester grater is super adorable. His hat removes so that it covers the shield. You can use it for grating oranges, limes, lemons, whatever. So you can zest them, or you can use it for Parmesan cheeses. It's the grater that turns hard foods into magical dust, flavorful dust with his magical teeth. He is super cute and adorable. Again, Ototo doesn't miss a beat. No home is complete without one. These Ototo Coney ice cream melts are really cool. They're squishable and measurable. Tackle kitchen chaos one meltdown at a time. The cups snap together for quick storage. They're perfect for baking cookies, pancake batter, or a late night craving. Measure dry ingredients without the kitchen turning into a soft serve swirl. Coney's detachable cups separate smoothly so each cup is easy to grab, fill, level, and pour. They are cute and adorable. Way to go, Ototo. Again, you made the perfect measurement for the perfect kitchen gadget.